Guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am in Abiokuta and it's very quiet, nice place to live, It's just that there is no water. I'm from River State and coming to an area where you buy water for everything you want to use is somehow, I tell you the truth. The video you're about to watch is on how my student was able to produce coconut bread after 2 days of explanation and practicals. 2 days, and she was able to produce, to mix, asking some questions. I was more like just there to look at what she will be able to do if I just traveled home, if I go back home, and will she be able to execute, will she be able to bake. So I asked her, to produce coconut bread, and the result was marvelous. I want you to sit down and enjoy this video. 2 days of training and a student can already give this beautiful piece, this beautiful delicious loaf of bread. I tell you, it's amazing. 2 days in Abiokuta. Watch and enjoy. Now, one unique thing about this bakery is just very concise, very small size. I know they just use a space like a parlor, the room, only one space, no two rooms, no demarcations, one space like a parlor. It's about, if you know asbestos ceiling, it's about 12 pieces, if no, the space. If you count the ceiling, 12 pieces of asbestos ceiling. It's a full bakery. So she chose to use the wet method, which means all the ingredients are there, with water, slow mixing for at least 2 minutes, and then before we add our flour, while the other student was busy greasing the pans, preparing it for the for the dough that is coming. You can see that everything, can see the color of the mixture there. Then at this point we add our flour. So you can also imitate this pattern of mixing and it will give you good result. You start it with all your ingredients, slow mix it for 2 minutes, followed by your flour, and then you continue your mixing. After a while, you get a very nice good result. So at this point, she decided to switch to high speed according to my directives and instructions. And amazingly, you can see the result at this point. The dough is very smooth and nice, ready to be molded. So she was asking questions, we were interacting, and it was amazing. She was sweating. When you are doing something for the first time, that sweat and a little tension. Here we have finished molding and pan. You can see how nice it is, although they struggle a little in terms of molding. You cannot just be perfect after 2 days learning how to mold. But she tried anyway. I will give her 70%. Now let's see. Now this oven is 3-deck 6-tray, 3-deck 6-tray oven, and it's very effective. Now you can see the result. Very beautiful coconut bread. Do you prefer the rectangular coconut or the one that is curved, the one that is open pan, or the one that was closed? Tell me in the comment section. You can also get our ebook. Just click the link below, at the description section, and you will get a full ebook on how to produce your commercial bread. Here you can see, very nice, very beautiful. I'm just helping her to to depan while she arranged the beautiful dough, the beautiful bread rather. Very delicious, milky coconut bread. It does not take us 2 weeks or full week for us to be able to train your staffs on how to bake. Just 2 days is enough and we'll get the job done. You can see the result on how our student was able to do this. Very beautiful, awesome product. If you're having some challenges, contact us and we will also help you, put you through, but you pay some cash. This is business and this is beautiful. You can see how smooth the normal bread is, and then how the coconut bread is top notch. Everyone loves it. Everyone loves it. I tell you the truth. So Call us for training, call us for anything bakery business, and we will do justice to that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Get our ebook now because it's just unlimited. I'm just telling it to 10 persons alone, 10 persons only, and we are done. See you in our next video. I'll keep you updated in this my journey. Subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Bye for now. Enjoy.